welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Major Chanel. I know I look completely crazy, but this is definitely a vlog style video, so I just wanted to do an introduction because I didn't like introduce anything. So today I basically just did my glucose test today, so I'm gonna insert the clips. Ooh, sorry y'all. I'm gonna insert the clips in the next like in here, so y'all can see like me drinking the juice and stuff, and y'all can just see how it was, and y'all let me know. But definitely welcome back. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let's just get right into today's vlog. Brain freeze. Okay, so I didn't have a chance to like really tell y'all how it was after while I was in the doctor's office. Of course, it's a doctor's office, it's people in here, it's weird, they're watching me, the whole shebang. So I mean, the drink really wasn't that nasty. I look so pregnant, oh my god, and there's something in my eye. But yeah, the drink, it really wasn't that nasty. Like, it was on a scale of 1 to 10, it was like a 5, like a 5-6. It was like okay. It tastes like orange soda that was like super watered down and syrupy. That's what it basically tastes like. So I drank the liquid, and then you have to wait for an hour. They don't let you leave. They want to watch you for like a complete hour, and then they take your blood and just, I guess, like check you and see if you have diabetes or whatever, or basically see how your body breaks down, I guess, the sugar. Sorry, yeah, I'm gonna have to move y'all up here because I'm currently in the kitchen. I'm making spaghetti and meatballs. So I don't want them to burn with garlic bread. I'm gonna show y'all how it looks when it's done. So like, I haven't vlogged in like so long, like a, ooh, sorry, it's dark. Come on, come on. I haven't vlogged so long, like an in the house vlog, so it was definitely overdue. And I want to just catch y'all up with everything I have going on. Also, I made cookies too, y'all. And I wanted to kind of vlog while the boys are not here, because y'all know they want to fight and argue. But these are my favorite cookies. These are the sugar cookies with the funfetti. These are my favorite ones. And I'm back. If you know me, so yeah. But as I was saying, I want to catch y'all up with what I have going on, because it's been a minute since a little life update. So yeah, I'm about to be 30 weeks tomorrow. Can y'all believe that? It'll be here in 10 whole weeks. So literally every week I have something going on. So I'm gonna put out so much content, because when I have the baby, of course, the first week or like the first 2 weeks, I want to kind of take it easy and like adjust, have no baby, being a mama 3, the whole shebang. So I'm gonna definitely be consistent and try to get a lot of content and stuff pre-filmed and out the way now. So the first things first is, this week was basically the glucose test. I don't think I have pretty much anything else that I'm gonna really do this week in particular, because I need to do my hair. So I'm gonna probably try to do my hair. I need to wash this. I need to do my real hair underneath. For some reason the back of this hair is like such good hair, but the back definitely gets like a little nappy and stuff, and it's like product. But I saw a hairstyle that I wanted to do with this type of hair, so I'm gonna try to achieve that. So that's on the agenda for today. I'm gonna show you how the food looks once it's done. I'm actually gonna add the sauce. I don't know about y'all, but I love Prego traditional sauce. This is like my jam, so I always use this sauce. Let me turn this oven off so my bread doesn't burn. But yeah, next week is Thanksgiving and it's my stepfather's birthday. So with that being said, I'm gonna take him out for his birthday. Of course, y'all know I'm gonna vlog like always for Thanksgiving, and I'm gonna try and get a beauty video up. Y'all, I know y'all haven't heard me say those words in a while. I'm gonna try to get a beauty video up this week of Thanksgiving makeup. So I'm gonna try to show y'all like how I was with my makeup for Thanksgiving. That should also be up this week, so y'all get like 2 videos. So y'all have this vlog, and then I'm gonna put up the beauty video of the Thanksgiving makeup. Also, I'm gonna show y'all just some stuff that I picked up as of recent too, so I'm gonna do that next. All right, y'all, so these are the cookies, my favorite cookies. So freaking good. These are cookies, and I know when Kaden and Cameron get home they're gonna want some, so I just made us some cookies. Okay, back in my little favorite spot, this comfy chair. So I'm gonna show y'all the stuff I got from the beauty supply. So after my appointment, I had stopped at the supermarket to get like the garlic bread and just, oh excuse me, just regular bread. And then I had to go to beauty supply, so I got the Style Booster Stronghold edge control. It's made with natural argan oil, and I got the scent Sugar Melon. This was $10.99 for this size, but I needed it because I was running out of edge control. I picked up a spray thing because both me and my cousin got curly hair, and we were like sharing this one spray bottle, so I'm like, let me just get another one. This was only like $3, so super cheap. And then I got a pack of rubber bands because I was running out of rubber bands too, and I need these when I braid my hair underneath my insole, or if I do Caden's hair. I need some rubber bands. And then I got this wig cap. I'm gonna order the ones I normally use from Amazon because they're a little bit more of a tanner brown. This one I find I had to put like so much makeup and stuff, and I don't feel like doing that, but I did get this just in case I didn't have an extra cap downstairs because I don't know. And I had got some thread because I needed some sewing thread, so I just got thread to like sew everything up. And yeah, that was all I bought from the beauty supply. So super quick haul. Everything probably came to like $12. Who's texting me? Ooh. Yeah, everything came up to about $12. Okay, so in other news, I did go to H&M yesterday. I'm just gonna show y'all what I got. It's not a whole lot, so it's super quick. I really needed to pick Caden and Cameron up a sweater because it's getting cold. So I got them just a regular black hoodie, zip up black hoodie. I got 2 same exact styles. I'm just gonna show y'all one. And then I got like 2 things for the baby. So I'm currently finishing up his 0 to 3 months clothing. That should be done in a second. So I got him like this, I guess this is like a in the house type of outfit, but maybe he could wear this if he goes out, I don't know. And it looks like this. I don't know what type of animal this is, but it's like this jumpsuit I got him. Super cute. It looks like this. It was $20. Oh, I think I only got him that. I only got him that. So yeah, H&M haul, super quick. Not a whole lot of stuff I picked up from H&M. I did go to Target though, so I'm gonna show you the stuff I got from Target. 2 of the things I got from Target was the curls, not the curls, damn, I can't think. The Soap and Glory, it was a body wash, but it's in the shower, and I really don't feel like going downstairs to get it. So I'll show y'all that at another time, but I did get that. Also, I got a Dr. Bronner like soap, but it's the eucalyptus bar soap. It's also in the shower too, so I'm not gonna go get those. But I had picked up some products for this hair. I have picked up some Shea Moisture, which this is good, but I'm so disappointed. Like, I only use this twice and look, it's basically done. So I don't know, maybe because my hair is long. This is 26 inches and the hair is extremely full, so that's probably why I use so much. But this is actually really good, the coconut and hibiscus frizz-free curl mousse. I'll probably pick up another one because it is nice. And it does say it's for it moisturizes and curls defines thick curly hair, so this is good. It was a little pricey though, but it's good. This product though was super good. I would say highly recommend it. This is the Curls Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Jelly. This was about $20, but this shit will have your curls looking so nice and cute. I'll insert a picture so y'all can see how my curls look using this product. Super good. And lastly, I just picked up a little mini curl enhancing smoothie as well. So these are just the products I have for my curly hair. And in conjunction, I use my Briogeo and Way leave-in conditioner. That works really nice too. While we're on the topic of Shea Moisture, I did pick up this product from Ulta. They had the coconut and hibiscus bath body and massage oil. I did get this one from Target, but the rest of the Shea Moisture stuff I got from Ulta, because I did go on Ulta yesterday. I needed to pick up something for Instagram Reels. So I had picked up the Shea Moisture Pink Himalayan Salt Relaxing Bar with sage and neroli oil. Looks like this. I didn't even smell it. You really can't smell it, so I don't know what it smells like, but I'm sure it's good. And then I also picked up the Lavender Wild Orchid Calming Bath and Body Massage Oil with Shea Butter. This is really good. I used to use this before, but for some reason this is really hard to find. So I was so happy I saw it yesterday. It was only one left, so I was like, let me get it. And then makeup wise, I just picked up two Morphe liquid lipsticks. I picked up the shade Sweet Tea and Bite Me. I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. But yeah, guys, I'm going to definitely vlog a whole lot more, so get ready. The vlogs are coming back, and y'all know Vlogmas is almost here, so it's going down. I'm on the fence if I'm gonna create a new intro for Vlogmas or if I'm gonna leave my old intro. I don't know. I might leave my old intro, to be honest. Or I might just like put up, get like a, maybe I'll get like an animation made or something. I don't know. I don't know, because it's kind of late. I should be doing this like now. If I'm gonna do something, I need to do it now. So I just might use the old intro for Vlogmas, because it is still just 3 of us. And then when the baby comes next year, of course, I'm gonna have a new intro. I cannot wait. So I'm gonna show y'all the colors. So the first color at the top is, these are liquid lipsticks too. Well, the first color at the top, this is Bite Me. So it's more of a deeper brown. And then the one at the bottom is Sweet Tea. These are so fire, right up my alley. I had to get those. Then I had to just get like something so I could use this little discount. So I picked up a lip sugar scrub in Original Balm Duo. The brand is Dr. Pawpaw. I've never heard of it. It looks like this. I'm gonna take it out. It's like really small. But I needed something small so I could take off $10, so I got it. So it's a duo. It's attached to each other. So this is cute. I'll probably try this tonight and I'll let y'all know what it's headed for. And lastly, I picked up this Morphe 9W Smoke and Shadow Palette. This was like really what I wanted, because it was those cool tones, and I don't have a lot of cool tone palettes, so I did want to incorporate some cool tones in here. So it looks like this, and I'm gonna show y'all the colors. So this is what the inside looks like. Super cute. And I'm gonna put up a reels using it and probably the Morphe lips. But yeah, guys, that's all the makeup and the body care products and hair care stuff I picked up. I just wanted to show y'all this quick little haul. I'm about to actually get ready to eat. I'll show y'all my food, of course, and I'm probably gonna take a nap because I'm really sleepy. And then I'll get up and I'll do my hair and like clean up and stuff. So stay tuned.